Hi, I'm Liz Corbett, the Party Hostess Diva, www.partyhostessdiva.com. I am going to show you how to make fondant that looks like wood. We have our fondant that has been pre-colored, this nice dark wood brown, and you're just going to roll it out like a log, and we're going to go for something that looks like a branch. So I have these other little pieces. These are going to come off on the side, and I've cut this one at an angle right here, and then the other end you want to cut flat. And you're just going to do a little dab of water to attach this to the other piece. Now you want to add an effect to this so that it looks like the grains of wood. You can use anything in your kitchen that has tines on it, like a fork, or this little fun gadget that came off of one of my rolling pins. It's used for pricking a pastry dough. And what you're going to do is very gently drag it along the surface of your brown fondant. Don't go exactly straight. Make it wave just a little so it's realistic, like the bark on a tree. Obviously moving from one end to the other. And then our little branch here, again, we're moving from the beginning of it out to the end. Very, very simple to do. And there you have it, fondant that looks like wood. All right, here's another fun tip for making your fondant look like wood. And what I've done here in this little bowl is I have some brown food coloring paste and just a little bit of water. You just want to dab your brush very carefully into this concentrated brown and then dry it on a paper towel. And then you're going to just brush on your rolled out white fondant. And the wider your brush is, the more it's going to show. The little hairs on the brush are going to give you that wood grain effect. This is a really fun technique if you want to make something onto your cake that looks like, oh gosh, a wooden sign, a wooden artist palette. It's a super fun and easy effect. If you don't want to go to the trouble of coloring it, you can actually paint on it. So again, we're trying to move in motion to make it look like wood, all in the same direction. And when that dries, it's just going to accentuate all those little lines that you made with the paintbrush. And you're done. Fondant that looks like wood. I'm Liz Corbett, the Party Hostess Diva, www.partyhostessdiva.com. And I make your life a little sweeter.